is also a typical HEV hybrid electric vehicle. It has an engine. The capacity is 1.5. This is basically like a Toyota system. It's a system why JAC is not producing. JAC is another producer of Toyota recently in China. They produced the Toyota BZ4X and then 3X. And then they have started producing the hybrids of the JACs using the Toyota system. So this is basically like a RAV4 system. This is a RAV4 hybrid. So this is the driving system, the electric vehicle system, and this is the engine. The only difference between the plug-in hybrid, one of the differences between the plug-in and then the HEV is simple. This only charges with the MG1 into the battery. It doesn't have external charging port. Another difference is this can only drive at low speeds. So speeds below 20 kilometers per hour or 25 kilometers per hour per the manufacturer's design. That is the top speed of the vehicle. The moment you step on the accelerator, it switches automatically to the engine system. So the moment it switches to the engine system, the MG1 begins to charge up by converting the kinetic rotational energy of the shaft, the crankshaft. And then in that time, this only works as a charger. The engine works as a charger for the battery. But the moment you go to low speed, it switches back to this if your battery percent is above 20%. So it's kind of tricky, but the differences are simple. So this doesn't have a charging outlet. It doesn't have external charging outlet, but it meets one of the definitions of electric vehicle. That is, it is propelled by an engine. I don't know whether I get it. So if a vehicle makes or reaches one of the definitions, it's categorized as an electric vehicle. So that is the function that categorizes hybrid electric vehicles as electric vehicles. Other hybrid electric vehicles are there like the mild. The mild electric vehicle is not categorized as hybrid or electric vehicle because it only has a 48 volt battery system and it doesn't have a motor that propels the vehicle. The engine drives the vehicle. It only gets power from the engine's kinetic energy stored in the battery, which some of the systems such as air conditioning uses to power the air conditioning system. So it's not regarded as electric vehicle.